for being here today. My name is Payman and I'm the president and founder of Peytec. We are a smart industrial IoT company and our mission is to help enable the next industrial revolution, Industry 4.0. So what do? Peytec provides cyber-physical systems. In layman's word, Peytec makes the computers work for you and not you for them. Let me give you a before and after scenario. So today processes are connected to computers through human interface. What the Peytec cyber physical system does, it eliminates the most expensive component of any business, the humans, from the equations and directly connects processes to computers. Most of us grown up in the third industrial revolution where we threw computers at the problem and we spent a lot of energy working with computers without understanding how we use people to interface processes and computers. In Industry 4.0, we get rid of the interface. And Peytec is actually at the heart of Industry 4.0. We solve a large part of Industry 4.0 problem. We provide cyber physical, not just contributing. Our product commercialization takes and executes cyber physical systems for many applications. In every business, there are activities that need to be transacted. Businesses need to move things around in their business, and these are some of the transportation devices used to move things from one location to another. And we're going to pick one of those and show you how these activities take place. Use these technologies to interface processes to computers. These processes are labor-intensive, costly, and not accurate. But people are so used to manual transactions, we don't see them as waste. Now I'm going to explain to you how these processes are wasteful. Here is a typical movement of a product. We're going to show you how the skid goes from one location to another and how we transact the data. With barcode scanning, there's human involved. With manual entry, human involved. RFID, there's errors and limitations. Again, manual entry and barcode. The accumulation of these errors create waste, and the waste actually affects both bottom and top line in any business. Here we have Peytec cyber physical system. We're going to show you how with Peytec system we make the transactions completely automatic. We first make these virtual zones through Peytec platform. We then attach Peytec smart tag to a skid. And as the skid moves from one location to another, we automatically transact the arrival to an inventory software. With Peytec solution, we eliminated human efforts, made the system real-time, and eliminated errors. This sounds straightforward, and you might be wondering why no one has done this yet. I'm here to give you the answer. We can track the location of these tags with an accuracy of 10 centimeters in an indoor environment. With our wireless positioning and sensing network technology, we're the only solution that can be scaled in an industrial scale and remain real-time, maintain its highly positional accuracy and extensive battery life. It is clear Peytec's platform provides a solution which is essential for Industry 4.0. It is simple, elegant, and we are the only people that can do this.
Welcome to the Peytec Cyber Physical Microfactory, and what we have here on the floor is actually a microfactory. The white lines are representing the area of the physical factory area. Inside here we have 3 work cells, 1, 2, and 3. Each cell has zones which are broken into the way which the process is designed. So we have a queue point for we're ready to start the operation. The operation itself, a place for stock. That's operation 1. Then we have a second operation which has a similar format in terms of zones, and then operation 3. We've got a rework zone, we also have an output point, and we have a stock entry point. So we're going to start in stock. We are in stock. In fact, what you see here is that red dot over there is in fact a black car, and we can then track that black car right through the process, which represents a tag bin or skid or piece of tooling or just about anything you want to track in your facility. We can have, although this is a scale test, we can actually have up to 2,000 different tags or more in flow moved around what could be a 50,000 square feet facility. But we can cope with 50,000 square feet with using our readers, which are placed around the periphery of this outline, which is the equivalent of 50,000 square feet. On a head-up display, either on a desktop computer or on an iPad, we can put the display exactly what you see on the shop floor. And every tag will be displayed as a dot. Also, we have a table which shows exactly where these tags are being read. And you'll see we've got bin 1, which is represented by the black car in stock at this point. So if I take the car and just move it a little bit, you'll see that, in fact, it doesn't change the status, but it changes its position within stock. If I take it across and out of stock, it disappears and goes into process. If I then move it into, let's just move it straight into operation. Go to operation 1, you'll see that it's now moved its location to operation 1. And so we've taken it out of stock and moved it completely into operation immediately, and we've been able to track its location, and also as it moves from one zone to another, we can make a transaction which can then be uploaded to an ERP system. So what we've done with all of these movements is eliminated all of the manual transactions necessary that would normally be even required for an ERP system to work and be real time. So we're offering a real-time solution for your business system inside of your factory. And of course, we also have the ability to go global and have a global tracking version of our tag for anything that's outside of the zone. So I can just carry on showing you how this thing kind of works. I can move the car into another zone. You'll see that it's going to change its location as soon as it gets into that zone. So operation 2 pops up. Here we are. You see it's quite quick. It's absolutely real time. Operation 2, that will be uploaded immediately to ERP through our network so that we can now instantaneously know where things are. And so any job, by the way, if I want to know where that job is, I'm not sure where it is, I can light it up. I can go to here, and I can search for the tag, and I can switch it on. So now on my screen, I can then see where that particular tag is, or I can actually go to the tag and light up the tag. Now turn the LED on, so you'll see that in the tag, the LED would be either red or green or blue or flashing white or whatever you want to enunciate the fact that this is the tag I'm looking for. So if I'm walking through the plant and I want to find a specific tag because it's urgent, I can go right to the red light and understand what's happening. So I have the ability to find the tag and also to search it on the system. So this tag obviously is hot. I got it flashing on my screen in my office or on my iPad, and I can walk towards it, but also I can see that the LED is lit up as well. So that gives us the ability to move right through the operation and manage any of the transactions. So I'll put it now, for example, in Q3. See that if I look at go to the screen, it's now in Q3. Real time. If I take it out of Q3, drops off the screen, put it back in Q3, pops back on the screen. So it's going out. It's going in. That real time. A few seconds, no more than 2 seconds. So that's our presentation. Any questions? This is a fantastic system. I want to tell you how exciting it is for manufacturing people to have this. In fact, their worst nightmare in their manufacturing facility is they can't find anything. This, you can find anything. Whether it be people, fork trucks, material inventory, or assets, or anything that actually needs to be tracked within your business.